Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at the INOMI SE8 2200 PA vacuum cleaner. So this is basically it. And as you might have seen here, it is a little bit of a cheaper model, which is not necessarily a bad thing. And it is doing quite a good job. Got an interesting presentation with different colors on top. Haven't seen that so far. Um, yeah, and it also comes with a remote, so it's a little bit old schooler, which is not necessarily a bad thing, because not everyone is wanting to, yeah, face an app and stuff. So this is a different approach here. So keep that in mind. Check that out yourself. On the other side, definitely pretty decent performance-wise. Can't really complain about that. Um, it's doing a fine job so far. So as you can see, we got your typical dust compartment here and some filters that you can remove. Just take it out, feel free, empty this whole thing is F needed, and then you can just throw back in there. So also pretty straightforward, as said. So we're gonna stick that back in. And yeah, otherwise let's have a look what's actually happening underneath. As you can see, we got two brushes in the front, each on each side. Also the power button is hidden down here, so make sure you turn that on before you try to do anything with that when it comes as an app as you want. Don't need that necessarily, as I said. And nice movement on the sides as well. Yeah, and besides that, it is doing completely fine. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied, to be honest. And performance-wise, it's doing good. Nothing complaining. And let's just give it a try. There's also timer function, and from the sound, it is not too loud. You're not gonna hear anything though, because I still have it set up here on a muted video, because my camera is not doing a good job selecting whether we want to talk or what kind of sounds are around. So yeah, let's have a look what it does when it's doing its job, how that looks and how it figures out everything. So let's get this little guy started. And here it goes, as you see, moved right out of the station, is ready to do its job and has no problem running over carpets, goes actually pretty fast, even on carpets. Yeah, and I think it's a decent job that he's doing, or it is doing. So I think I will call it a day though, and I will see you around in the next video, you guys. So take care until next time. My name is Badger,